The 2025 Aprilia 660 rupees brings a host of updates that further solidify its position as a leading middleweight sport bike, blending Italian craftsmanship with modern performance and cutting-edge technology. One of the most notable upgrades is the increase in engine output. The 659cc parallel twin engine now produces 105 horsepower, 5 more than its predecessor, thanks to enlarged 52mm throttle bodies, offering a livelier throttle response and stronger top-end performance. Despite the boost in power, the bike complies with Euro 5 Plus emission standards, ensuring it's both thrilling and environmentally conscious. Aprilia has also introduced launch control to the 660 rupees lineup for the first time. This feature, along with adjustable traction control, engine brake control, wheelie control, and cruise control, is part of the APRC Aprilia Performance Ride Control electronics suite. The addition of a 6-axis IMU further enhances rider safety and precision by continuously monitoring lean angle and pitch to optimize these systems. A ride-by-wire throttle and a standard up-down quickshifter add to the refined riding experience, especially on spirited rides or track days. Ergonomically, the 660 rupees has received practical updates. A larger 5-inch TFT display with improved visibility and redesigned backlit handlebar controls make interacting with the bike easier, especially in low-light conditions. In terms of design, the 2025 660 rupees gets a visual refresh with aerodynamic improvements, including winglets integrated into the fairing. These elements, though polarizing in style, contribute to improved stability at high speeds. The bike is available in new striking color schemes such as Venom Yellow and Blue Marlin. For riders seeking top-tier performance, the 660 rupees factory edition offers fully adjustable Öhlins suspension, lighter components, and exclusive styling. The factory version also includes all standard electronics, plus additional refinement in chassis dynamics and a unique, dark Banshee livery. With these updates, the 2025 Aprilia 660 rupees remains a standout option in the middleweight sport bike category. It offers a compelling balance of power, control, and Italian flair, appealing to both everyday riders and track enthusiasts alike. Pricing starts at $11,649 USD for the base model and $13,999 USD for the factory edition, with availability beginning in March 2025.